Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and with popular features. Features also include remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats, ventilated seats. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.